Hi guys, Aiken here again. This is my another unpacking video of my P.metallica. As you can see, never had a P.metallica before. It's supposed to be about a, I don't know, 3 centimetre, sorry, specimen. So let's have a look. Oh, she's, just see it in there, guys. Just there. Not too bad. I've got to use it. Sorry guys, I've got to use a knife. It's not a sharp knife, so, but I'm still waiting on some tweezers. I've got some 16-inch tweezers coming. But if I just coax a little fella out. That's just inside the little tub there. Just can't really see it very good, but what I'll do, guys, I'll just coax it out and then just hope it don't run off on me. I've got the tub to catch it. Here he comes. Come on, matey. Oh, don't seem to want to come out. But what I'll do is I'll just put in this little temporary tub just for the time being. Fairly big, not too bad. You can just see it there, but I don't want it to run off. So what I'll do, I'll just coax it into this little tub, so you can get a better look at it. There we go. There we go, guys. P.metallica sling. I'll just pick my phone up. Oh, sorry. So you can see it a bit better. My first ever P.metallica. Looking absolutely beautiful. Yeah, probably say just over. I'll probably say about 3 centimetre. But it's absolutely beautiful. I might just put it in a little pill jar. That should be okay. So that's my P.metallica done. Just put my phone back there, guys. And this is the Burmese bird eater. There it is, just down in that corner there. I've just got to be a bit careful because I've been told they're fairly aggressive, but as I say, this species, it's only small, so just watch it don't run off. That's the only thing. The bloke said it does look female. He said it's definitely a female, but I've never heard of a Burmese bird eater. I've been told they web up a lot. But yeah, this box would be absolute smashing for it. The box it actually came in, it's got air holes, good lid. I'll put a little bit of substrate in there, some vermiculite, spray it with water, and that should be absolutely fantastic. But yeah, guys, that's my 19th tarantulas now. 19. I keep saying I'm not going to buy any more, but as you all know, guys, this hobby is very, very addictive. But I've got to stop some point because having no room. But yeah, guys, that's my Burmese bird eater. And my beautiful P.metallica sling. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Hopefully it's a she. I'm hoping it's a girl, but if it's a male, then he will be up for breeding, definitely, but I'm hoping it's a female. So yeah, guys, just a quick video of my 2 new tarantulas. What I'll do, guys, I'll just take the lid off so you can get a better look at it. I just don't want it to come out. There's the colours. Okay guys, thanks for watching.